just an introduction before we blow your mind.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sensational Locks, and I'm back with a quick video. On your screen you can see I'm showing y'all a very old braid out. It was like 3 weeks old at this point, but I didn't get any footage of how I braided it, but I want to show you guys my takedown and tell y'all basically how I braid out like a boss. Like, I was really feeling this. I could have let it stay up a little longer, but this is how I rock. Super cute, super cute. And although I loved it, it was pretty much time to take it down. So what I did, guys, was go ahead and, well, before I even did the braids, I started with freshly washed hair, and I braided them immediately after the wash and let them air dry. And then I rocked it for 3 weeks. And now that I was ready to take it down, I went ahead and washed again. And then I let it air dry, and I left it up for another 3 days. So this is 3 weeks and 3 days old. And did y'all see that? Yes. Since I didn't get a chance to show you guys how I did the braid out with my locks, you know, they're not all even. I want to show you guys again to take out some of the more unique locks. Not all of my locks are uniform. They're not all the same length either. But when I put the rubber bands at the ends, I wanted to make sure that they had a uniform look, or came, you know, an ending point. So, like, take a look at this lock, for example. This is another one of my unique ones. I have some permanent lock jewelry that I never take off. It's always there whether I'm washing or whatever. And so when I do my braids, I just braid around the jewelry. So I know I'm basically showing you guys, you know, this is the reverse, this is the takedown. But if you can imagine, when I was braiding it, I obviously took that hair and I wrapped it around the braid that I was creating so that I could have a nice end. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. So I do that for all of my locks so that I can have that. And that's pretty much it, y'all. I really love the braids, but I love the takedown even more. The crinkles were like, they gave me life. I rocked the crinkles for another 3 weeks before I actually washed my hair and it just, like, I could have kept going. I should have just kept going to see how long they would last without me putting any more water to them, but yeah, y'all see it. I know y'all see it. Everybody be wondering, how do you get your hair to retain that curl pattern like that? Water and let it sit. That's it, y'all. Just water and patience. And that's it for this video. So I hope you guys liked it. If you guys enjoyed the way that I braid out and you feeling like a boss, I'll make sure that y'all tag me in y'all braid outs on Instagram. Make sure you head over to my Instagram and follow the Sensational Locks page. And I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.